Hi, my name is SK Sundaram. I'm a trainer. I train a lot of people, and in most of the training, I always come across a lot of people who are in insurance. They're either insurance agents or they are managers in insurance firms. I'm not an insurance seller, but I'm a benefiter of insurance policies. Now, I just want to share some strategies here about how to go about becoming very successful in insurance industry. Now, the first thing is a lot of people are always very much tied up about getting referrals. They go and ask people to give me referrals, give me people whom you know. So it's known as the concentric circles. So first is your family, then people whom your family friends are, and then you keep on moving until the concentric circle is no more. Then you also start losing out on your customers. So my suggestion is try to create some kind of plan whereby you can become successful. First point I like to suggest is write a small booklet, write a small article, something how to choose the right kind of insurance for your need. Like for example, if you are taking a new mother who has just given birth to a baby, her requirements will be different. But if you go to a businessman, his requirement will be different. So key man insurance and that kind of thing. So you got to see your target market and then tune your offering according to them. So write a small booklet as to what kind of policy different kind of people will be needing. So like I said, for example, you can do a small booklet on points to look for when you're taking up key man insurance, or another small article about points to look for when you are a new mother and how you should be taking up your policy. So this will be like a guide to people who want to take up insurance. Now the second point which I like to suggest to you is, instead of looking for referrals, look at a broader market. A broader market is get involved in your community. Let's say if you're targeting only the Indian market, so where do most of the people gather? In temples? Or if you look at professionals, where do they gather? They gather in, let's say, Rotary Club, Lions Club, or associations, some kind of NGOs. So get involved in all these kind of NGOs and social bodies where people are interacting always. So you will be able to meet many kinds of people, do service, and then they will also become your friend. So your net of your circle of friends will become bigger, and you can start working with them for more and more opportunities. The third point I like to say is try to become a local hero. That means, let's say in the area you're staying, there's somebody with a hole in the heart, or somebody who's having a major problem, somebody is having a disaster in the family or some grieving. You go in and help them, and then you do social media postings of how you have helped them, what you have done for them, to show that they have benefited from what you have done for them. So this will make you become like a local hero, and then people will come to you, oh, you are so and so. Then you can have a wider connection with them. The fourth point I like to share with you is always create videos. Regularly create videos about how you can help, or maybe cases. Always say, like for example, I myself, I'm a cancer survivor. And I had a very big, huge bill when I was in the hospital. And I'm always very grateful for the insurance medical card which I had. So they paid for all the bills. I'm always full convinced that insurance policy is very important. So what you can do is gather some people like that who have benefited, do a short video, and then profile them, and then you showcase them to your potential audience. So when you're doing this, of course, you must get the person who's talking to sign a PDPA document with you, so that you don't have problems with the personal data in the future. The other thing is, like I said, is please select your target audience. The fifth thing is ensure that your target audience is correct. If you're only in the Indian market, the population of Indians is only small, therefore that's a limit. There's a limit to the number of people who can take a policy. If you look at a broader market, then of course you'll have to have better networking with the wider audience. So you can go into the non-Indian market by getting involved, like I said earlier, in associations and social activities where there are multiracial people involved. So these are just my ideas. Maybe if I come across more ideas, I'll share with you. This is part of my Vartagar sharing, which I do with many people. If you find this to be useful, please go to YouTube and look up for my many other videos which I've done. And I wish you all the best. Take care and all the best. Bye.